In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Webflow website code step by step. This is perfect if you want to host your site elsewhere, hand the code to a developer, or just keep a backup of your project files. Webflow makes this process surprisingly simple, but there are a few things you need to know before exporting. I'll walk you through everything clearly so you don't miss a single step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Webflow and web design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Webflow. Log in to your Webflow account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your dashboard, locate the site that you want to export the code from. This needs to be the actual project you've designed in Webflow, not just the published link. Click to open your site so you're inside the Webflow Designer view, where you normally edit pages, layouts, and styles. Once your site is open in the Webflow Designer, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the main menu icon, also known as the Hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that Hamburger menu. This menu contains important project-level options, including settings, backups, and exporting tools. Clicking this menu is the key step that many beginners miss when trying to export their site. After opening the Hamburger menu, look through the list of options and find Export Code. Click on Export Code to open the Export panel. This is where Webflow prepares your site files for download. In the Export panel, you'll see that Webflow includes your HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript files, images, and other assets that make up your website. Keep in mind that Webflow exports clean front-end code, but CMS content, forms, and hosting-related features may not function outside of Webflow without additional setup. Now click the Export Code button. Webflow will start generating a zip file containing all your website files. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a few seconds. Once the export is complete, the zip file will automatically download to your computer. You can then unzip this file and upload it to another hosting provider, share it with a developer, or store it as a backup of your project. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Webflow website code. As a quick reminder, code export is available on paid Webflow site plans, so make sure your plan supports exporting before attempting this. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tutorials, website tips, and no-code guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.